Typically on job sites, there are applications where post-installed rebars are required. According to European guidelines, tension stress cannot be directly transferred into the concrete. As a consequence, the range of applications for post-installed rebar connections is limited, and rigid connections cannot be designed. In addition, following the requirements of Eurocode 2, the design solution may be unfeasible or uneconomical due to the long anchorage lengths. Engineers today deal with two main problems. 1. No design solutions are available for rigid connections. And 2. Solutions can be unfeasible or uneconomical in case of simply supported connections. After extensive research, Hilti has developed a design method that solves these problems. Post-installed rebars are needed to connect the new wall to the existing foundation. The wall is subjected to bending moment. Due to the high quality of Hilti mortars, load transfer generates specific stress fields in the system connection. The bending moment creates tension fields and compression fields. We'll represent them as compression struts and tension ties. Tests on system connections installed with Hilti mortars have determined the range of the angle theta between 30 degrees and 60 degrees. With Hilti HIT rebar design method, you can design rigid connections with straight post-installed rebar. On the other hand, for simply supported connections, engineers still face challenges. Designing these applications can lead to dead ends. The logic behind Eurocode is that post-installed rebars should work like cast-in. Their loading capacity is limited by code at the bond strength level. Let's have a look at this example. This slab is subjected to shear, and the required anchorage length would result in an unfeasible application. Hilti HIT rebar method solved the problem by looking at how cast-in and post-installed rebars function. Extensive research was done to measure the bond strength of cast-in bars under different conditions. Each point in this chart plots the specific rebar bond strength as function of their ratio of concrete cover to bar diameter. We can see that under Eurocode, increasing the concrete cover doesn't increase the loading capacity after a certain point. Concrete cover being 3 times the rebar diameter. Hilti's innovative HIT rebar method was developed by testing hundreds of post-installed rebars set with Hilti HIT chemical mortars. A high-performance mortar with a higher bond strength than concrete can develop higher loading capacity than traditional cast-in bars. Thanks to Hilti's high-performance HIT chemical mortars and HIT rebar design method, the application can be safely calculated to meet the design requirements with shorter anchorage lengths. With Hilti products, you can always have feasible and economical solutions.